The Katadyn Hiker Pro is a high-performance, lightweight water filter built for quick and efficient use in the backcountry. Lightweight is your demand, but pumping performance is also a must. It includes quick-release fittings for a direct attachment to your hydration pack. The Hiker Pro is easy to use in any water source, whether it's a lake, river, or stream. Simply place the pre-filter in the water source and pump to provide safe drinking water right into your hydration tube. The Hiker Pro uses high-technology pleated glass fiber filtration. The filter protector is easily cleaned for longer life and faster water flow. The built-in carbon core reduces chemicals and makes water taste like it should. The Hiker Pro is ultra-compact and lightweight at only 11 ounces and is the best choice for an ultralight backpacking water filter. It filters at high capacity and is easy to use and performs in a variety of field conditions. In a new transparent color, it's performance you can see.
Hi, my name is Tony Ruggiero. I'm a design engineer here at Black Diamond. I'm going to walk through the features on the Trail Pro Shock, but we have a wide range of poles designed for a variety of terrain and price points to meet your needs. Your trekking poles will be collapsed and in packaging when you purchase them. Instructions are located inside the packaging along with a hex wrench for pro models. All of our adjustable poles have flick lock technology. Our Flick Lock Pro has been redesigned with forged aluminum construction to be lighter and more secure. Our flick locks come preset, however it is easy to adjust the tightness to your desired level by either using the included hex wrench or a standard Phillips screwdriver. To loosen or tighten the flick lock tension, it needs to be in the open position. All of our Pro adjustable trekking pole models now include the Smash Lock collapsing mechanism, an easy one-step way to collapse your poles. Open the flick lock and with one fluid motion, drive the upper shaft towards the ground and close the flick lock. To extend, with the flick lock in the closed position, pull the lower section out until you hear a click. Adjust the length of pole using the flick lock and then close at the desired length. A good starting point for the correct length is to have your elbow at 90 degrees. On our Trail Pro Shock model, we have a shock feature that will help reduce joint fatigue. We have designed a new solution strap that has been inspired by our Black Diamond Solution climbing harness. To adjust your strap, pull the top to loosen and the bottom tab to tighten. Each pole strap is labeled with an R or an L. Our recommended strap use is entering from the bottom and grip down on the pole. This will allow the strap to lay flat under your palm for the most comfortable and secure grip. We have a variety of different grip materials, from moisture wicking cork to EVA foam and molded rubber. All the Trail Series poles come with a 38mm trekking basket. We have a variety of different baskets available. To change the baskets, grab the lower section of your pole, and as you turn the basket counterclockwise, pull outwards to engage the threads. To install the baskets, push on and twist clockwise until the basket is fully seated against the shoulder. Certain models have interchangeable tips. To change the carbide tip, use a pair of pliers to twist off. To install, spin on clockwise, being sure to engage the wave lock technology for at least 3 to 4 clicks. Go to blackdiamondequipment.com for the most up-to-date overview of our different models feature sets, and best uses.
At Nemo, we never bring anything to market that doesn't create a better adventure experience. Everything we make is designed to keep you warmer, drier, and more comfortable than what's already out there. This is Astro Lite, our ultralight sleeping pad series designed to be an accessibly priced yet all-around stellar backpacking pad. Available in multiple size and insulation configurations, Astro Lite offers superb comfort and value all in a small pack size. For a premium luxury feel, Astro Lite starts with our silky soft 20D polyester and our new zero profile multifunctional valve for micro adjustability and quick deflation. Yet a simple lateral baffle design allows Astro Lite to provide 3.5 inches of lightweight comfort in a small pack size, all at an accessible price point. A large pillow baffle at the head gives a couple extra inches of height to bolster your camp pillow and ensure it doesn't slide off in the night. Our super plush polyester is made from threads that are treated with a pressurized air process that softens fibers before they are woven into fabric, ensuring a cozy and quiet sleeping experience. Included with Astro Lite is Vortex, our efficient new pump sack that minimizes moisture entering the pad and enables rapid, easy inflation, saving your lungs after a long day on the trail. Astro Lite Regular measures 72 inches long and 20 inches wide, and long wide extends to 76 by 25 inches, with weights of 14 and 17 ounces respectively. Both sizes come with insulated versions, equipped with a cozy layer of Primaloft for quiet, warm sleep down to 15 degrees Fahrenheit for just a few extra ounces. For those looking for a lightweight, comfortable, and reliable value and a pad for every adventure, Astro Lite is the perfect solution. And like all Nemo products, your pad comes with a lifetime warranty, so it will last with you for years of adventures.
Hey guys, today we are talking about the brand new Jetboil Flash. Now if you're familiar with Jetboil, chances are you've used a Flash before, but now for 2018, it is the fastest stove on the planet to boil water. Now the Flash has always been about lightning fast boil times, and the new model continues that by shaving an entire minute off the previous version's boil time of 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Now that means you can now boil 16 ounces of water in just 100 seconds. That means by the time you're done watching this video, you could have made tea or had dinner cooking. Measuring boil time in seconds is a huge deal. It means you'll be eating, sipping coffee, or just have clean drinking water faster than ever before. The engineers at Jetboil were able to cut down the time by a minute by challenging every aspect of the stove. They modeled the combustion and selected materials to completely optimize speed, efficiency, and precision. The base plate on the new Flash, which you can see right here, is made of aluminum, and that means it's an ounce lighter than previous models. Also makes for an easier on-off connection than the older model. The new Flash also has a thermochromatic heat indicator that changes color for safety and fuel efficiency. And it tells you exactly when the water is hot so you don't waste any fuel. It still comes with a 1-liter flux ring cooking cup and insulated cozy, but it's also been updated with a more ergonomic design and an improved lid for better fit and function. It's got a drink-through lid with a built-in strainer, and the bottom cover doubles as a measuring cup and a bowl. The Flash also has a reliable push-button igniter, so you don't have to worry about forgetting your lighter, and it puts out 9,000 BTUs of power. Now, that's a lot of power, but what's important is what Jetboil does with all that energy. Flux ring technology, which you can see right here, means every BTU goes into heating your meal and not the air around it. So due to that amazing fuel efficiency, the new Flash will let you boil 10 liters of water with just one of these 100-gram Jet Power cans. There are also new Flash Cozy color options for 2018, including Carbon Black, Matrix, Jet Cam, and Wilderness. And you can opt for the new Flash Java Kit, which you can see right here. I love this thing because it gives you a Flash cooking system and a coffee press all in one. And you can never have enough good coffee in the backcountry. The new Flash is also compatible with other accessories like the hanging kit, pot support, flux ring frying pan and pot, and utensils. So the new Flash is an amazing improvement to a legendary cooking system. It weighs just 13.1 ounces, and with a 100-second boil time, it's the fastest Jetboil ever made. So if you're looking for the world's fastest and most efficient backcountry cooking system, you just found it.
This is Capture. It's a clip that clamps to any belt, strap, or bag and carries your gear. cameras, lenses, binoculars, GoPros, and just about anything else you can think of. We made it because this sucks. And so does this, and this. Capture is for photographers, adventurers, thrill seekers, parents, urbanites, hunters and birders, and travelers. Your gear, wherever and whenever you need it, so you can go further, do more, and miss nothing. Capture. One clip, a few plates, and endless options.
In this video, you'll learn to use the navigation features available on your fēnix 5 or fēnix 5S so you can venture anywhere in style. You can use your device to save locations, navigate to a destination, or follow a track or course. Let's see how to save your current location so you can navigate back to it later. Press and hold the Lite button to enter the controls menu and select Save Location. Your watch will search for GPS reception and then show you the coordinates and elevation of your location. Press the Start/Stop button to save the location. If you'd like to name your location, just push the down button and then Start/Stop. Now let's see how to navigate to one of your saved locations. Press the Start/Stop key. Push either the down or up arrows to select Navigate. Then select Saved Locations. You'll see a list of your saved locations. Select the one that you would like to navigate to. Then select Go To. The navigation information screen appears. Once you have acquired GPS, select Start to begin navigation. You can also select Up or Down to view additional data pages. Now, let's navigate to a location with a specific activity profile. This is beneficial for those who want to use their existing profile configurations for a specific activity while navigating. Within the Apps and Activities list, select the activity profile that you would like to use. This feature is available only for activities that use GPS. At any time during an activity, press and hold the Menu button. Then scroll down and select Navigation. A list of navigation features will appear. Select Saved Locations. Then select the location you would like to navigate to. Then select Go To. Once your watch has acquired GPS, select Start when you're ready to begin navigation. You can also navigate back to the starting point of your track or activity. This feature is available only for activities that use GPS. During an activity, select Stop. Scroll down and choose Back to Start. Select Track Back to retrace your steps to return the same way that you came. Or select Straight Line to display a direct path back to your starting point. Thanks for watching. To learn more, watch the other videos in this series.